So we're gonna bent over dumbbell back row. This is a way better setup than doing the old one leg up, arm up on the bench. You really just need literally anything that you can just put a hand on and lean over. One of the reasons we're leaning over is to try and get as horizontal as we possibly can because we're working with the line of gravity, which is straight up and down. Dill's gonna pull up and he's gonna make sure that he's focusing on pulling his elbow to his pocket, down towards the hips. That's how we do a proper lat row. These are almost always done where people are just pulling their elbow straight up to the roof. Do a bad rep. That sucks. Keep your elbow completely tucked to the side of your body. Pull it up and back. We're almost thinking more in a line like this as we're lifting the weight rather than straight up. You're gonna see he's gonna get a lot of tension in his lat there. Make sure that we're actually thinking about how we support. You don't wanna be floppy or completely bent over when you're supporting on this. He's nice and stable.